The New Forest is a magnificent host no matter when you make a visit. Early mornings are particularly rewarding, with sparse company and soft mellow light. Leaving your car behind, follow the old path as it passes open patches of copse into the mixed vegetation of the Victorian plantations. Throughout the plantations you'll see seasonal colours bursting through. Coniferous plantations are sprinkled amongst pockets of deciduous trees, shades of green and brown mingle. Amidst the avenues heading up to the high point of Stowy Copse you'll see signs of humanity, but mostly you'll be alone. Alone that is, until sharpening light and short shadows heralds rush hour within the forest. If by now you're begrudging a hello, it gets very busy. Well, I don't think this walk's worked its charms on you. Victorian drains help guide you, crisscrossing tracks and making handy waypoints.